Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like, subscribe on the red button and turn on the notification bell. So guys, what I'll be teaching you guys today is invitation card for child education in Coreldraw. So guys, let's start by opening our Coreldraw. Then the next thing is to import our working materials. Okay, let's highlight let's highlight it by holding the control button in our desktop, then then you hold on your control key on your desktop and C to copy. Then move over to our Coreldraw page. Okay, then go to our tools bar and click on text tools. Move it over here and click. Then hold on your control key here and V to paste. You see, it's asking you if you want to change the font or you want to maintain the font and the formatting. Let's change the font because this is not the font we'll be making use of. So let's click OK here. Okay, you can see it has already appeared here, and the next thing we're gonna do is to reduce it so that you can make use of this working space. You can see, I think it's okay like this. Okay, and the next thing we're gonna import here now is our picture. Okay, let's go over here, then copy and move back to our working page, then press and paste. Okay, and the next thing we're gonna do now is to put the size of the work we'll be working with by going over here. I think we'll be working with A6. Yes, clicking here, then come over here and put it in the position which is the landscape. Then the unit should be inches. You can see. Okay, I think we are set with this one. Then the next thing is to insert our background, and before you can insert your background, you need to first of all double click on this your right angle. Without this rectangle being implied here, there is nothing you can do here. So we first of all go to our rectangle and double click. You can see, let's remove the inner this. Okay, so most people like implying, most people like putting starting their background from outside here, like you see this one now. You can see. Then me, I don't like putting my background starting from here. So I like using power clicking for anything that I'm doing. So what I have to do now is coming over here and draw my square. Then drop the tools. Then what I have to do now is that I will right click and hold it and move it over here. Then leave it. You can see my power click and power click it inside. Okay, it's okay like this. Then we need to power click this one as well. Then we have to right click and hold, then move it here and leave it, then power click. So I need to work in my power click first before any other thing. So the next thing is to move over to this edit and click on it. You can see it has already bring me back here. So let's start by enlarging our work now. Okay, I think yes, this is what I need. Okay, you drag it up, drag it down so that you can cover this space. Okay, then this one as well, you increase it a little bit, you bring it over here. Yeah, you need to increase it so that it can cover this space. You can see the place I'm increasing it from. I'm increasing it from this slot, not from this one. I told you once that you don't make use of these ones like that except when it's being needed. So this one will be making use of first. Then click on your shift button in desktop and page up. You can see. So we need to duplicate this because we're gonna need a copy of it as well. So this first one now, the first thing we're gonna do is that we transparent it. Excuse me. Okay, let's remove this aside first. Okay. 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 You can see what I'm doing. A transparent is a little bit much. Let's reduce it. Okay, it's okay like that. And then let's drop the tools and come over to this copied one. Then we need to change the character, the font. We need to change the color of this one because this is not the one we're working with. Okay, let's check here. Okay, I think this corner is okay. Then move it over here. You can see. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do now is that we need to manipulate the shape of this particular one here by clicking on our curve shape. Click on the curve, then come over to our shape tools and click. Then click here and change it, convert it to curve. Then drag it to the position we may like it to be. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, let's drop the tools, then bring this one inside. Okay, I think we need to convert this one to curve as well, so that the shape will be the same with this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can see now. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Let's increase this a little bit. It's okay like this. So the next thing we're gonna do is that we have to apply our line here by clicking on these tools, then draw the line we want to put. I think it should be like this. Okay, let's draw it like this first. Okay, and increase the size. Okay, it's okay like this. Let's move it over here and rotate it. Okay, let's bring it down. I think we need to rotate it a little bit. No. Okay, then drag it down small, then duplicate it and bring it over here and change the position. Okay, this one needs to be rotated as well. Okay, now bring it over here. Let's rotate it a little bit. Okay, and bring it down. Okay, it's okay like this. Let's change the color first. Okay, let's put this. Okay, the same thing is applicable here. Okay, it's okay like this. Then the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna put our shapes here by clicking on these polygon tools, then draw it. So the next thing we're gonna do is to put our shapes here. Is to put our shapes here by clicking on this our rectangle. Okay, let's remove the inside. Okay, and put the outline. Outline should be black. Okay, now this is not the shape that we want to use, so we need to manipulate it by clicking on our curve tool. Okay, then come to our shape tools and click. Come over to this node and click, and right click over here, then delete it. This is the shape we want to use. Okay, then bring it over here, Then position it the way you want it to be. Let's increase it a little bit. Yes. Then change the color. Maybe okay. It should be okay. Then remove the outline by right clicking over here. Then we have to duplicate it because we need more of it by clicking Ctrl D. Okay. Now this is not the position it has to be. We have to rotate it to put it in the position we want it to be. Okay. You can see what I'm doing now. Okay. You rotate it a little bit. Now we have to change the color now. Okay. Okay. I think this color is okay. Then we have to duplicate it again by clicking the Ctrl D in your desktop and move it up a D. Yes. Then and change the color as well. Okay. Okay. Let's change the okay. Let's draw this down. Then rotate this one. Okay. And rotate again. Okay. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. I'm trying to put a nice design in this work now. Okay. Let's drag it down a bit. Okay. Let's drag it inside a bit. Then bring this one front a bit. Okay. Let's see first how it looks like by clicking on our finish button. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Let's be doing first. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do now is to draw our circle here. Okay. Then bring it over here. You can see what I'm doing. Let's change it to white. Okay. Then hold on your shift key in your desktop and left click and hold down. Then right click. Let's change the color of this to this, okay? Or this. You can see, I think this one is okay. Now, this one is okay. Let's select it and group it so that it won't scatter by clicking here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. You can see two of them is now moving together, so it's grouped now. Then we have to start inserting our words here, and we can't insert all of them like this. So what we need to do is that we need to break them apart by clicking on our control button in desktop, then Ctrl K. You can see now it's now broken apart. Then bring it here. It's now breaking apart. Yes, you can see now it's now broken apart. Then bring it over here. This one is invitation. I think we need to change the font of this. Is it okay? Okay, it's okay like this. Let's internalize it. Then change the character, the color. Okay, let's put this one first. Let's be working with this first. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is to bring this one over now and insert here the family. Let's reduce it to lowercase by clicking here, then here. Okay, let's make it title case. Click over here and okay. need to be internalized as well. Then click over here. Then we need to change the color. Which color will be suitable? Okay, no. Okay, let's put it black. Okay. Now the next thing we're gonna do now is to bring over this Mr. and Mrs. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay, you can see. Let's change the font character. Let's try this. Mr. and Mrs. Okay, let's go with the font first, but if it's not okay, we can still change it. Okay. Now accordion, we need to cut this because we're gonna need the separate part of it. Control K and bring it over here. Then increase it. You need to cut this one as well too. By Control K. Okay. This is what we need. Okay, let's change the font character. Each font should be okay. Each font should be okay for this work. Okay, let's try this first. Okay. Okay, let's bring this one over here and increase it. Okay, then this one over here, we need to change the case of this one by going over to our text here, then coming down to change and lower it, then okay. Then you need to internalize it. You can see. Let's change the color to green as well. I think it's okay like this. Should we darken the green? Okay. Let's change this color to this color. Okay, let's be working with this first. Okay, let's draw this our shape over here first. Okay, this shape now. Let's put the outline. Maybe let the outline be green by clicking here. Okay, then the inside that should be white. Now we need to duplicate this our work, but you hold on your control key, you hold on your shift key in the desktop and left click and hold and drag it down a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay. Then you right click. Let's change the color to green. Okay, then let's come over here and click the first one and increase the hairline by going over here, then click. Maybe let's try 3. Okay, that means you need to reduce this inside by clicking on it, then hold on your shift key in desktop and left click and drag down small, then leave it. Okay, it's okay like this. So we have to select all of them together and group them by going over here. You can see where they write group object, then click on it. You can see 2 of them is now together, they're made together. So let's bring it over here and change the mirror. to this. Okay, let's put it this way. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do, we bring over our dedication here, then increase it. Then let's change the font character as well. First of all, let's change the case to title case. Then click here, come over to title case and click OK. Now the color should be red or which one? Okay, let's use this one. Then let's choose over here the font character that we're gonna use here. I think script should be okay. Okay, let's try script or aromatic aroma script. Okay, let's place this one and increase it. Now you can see. Okay, I think this is too bold. Let's check the other aromatic aroma. Okay, let's change. I think this one is better. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is that, okay, let's bring over our up there, because this is where we need to insert it. This is where we need to insert our orders, but we need to first of all change the font to script. Let's put it to script, right? Okay, script bold. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is that we need to break it apart by holding on your control key in desktop. You can see. Then move it over here. Hold on your shift key and page up, then change the color to white. Okay. Okay, then bring there as well and place it there. It should be reduced as well. Okay, then hold on your control key, hold on your shift key and page up, then change the color to white as well. Let's increase it a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, so let's bring our child Thanksgiving over here and increase it. Okay, let's change the font to what and let's be scrolling down. Okay, let's try impact font. Impact. Okay, let's increase it. Okay, you can see. Let's group this first, then increase. Okay, let's increase it. Okay, the color, I think we should leave it in this black. I think that black is okay. Okay, I'm trying to reduce this a little bit. Okay, bring this over here, then increase it a little bit. Yes, you can see. Okay, shift it. I think it's okay like this. Then the next thing we're gonna do, our master should be down there. Then we need to break them apart by entering and Ctrl K in your desktop. Then bring our master here and change the font. Okay, let's use this. Okay, then break this one as well and bring it over here and increase it. Let's change the font first. Okay, let's use this. Okay, you can see what I'm doing now. Let's change the color to okay, I think this green is okay. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, now let's bring this one over and change the font as well by clicking here. Okay, in parts, you can see now. Then increase it. Okay, and change the color to green as well. Okay, we need to touch this our work. Okay, let's edit it, then click here. Let's rotate it a little bit. Yes, okay, finish. Okay, let's finish working first, then we know how. Let's bring this one up. Okay, and let's bring this one up. Okay, it's okay like this. It should be reduced now. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, okay, so the next thing we're gonna put here is, okay, let's start from this RSV. Let's bring it over here. Let's bring it over here. Okay, let's make use of only the number. Let's cut it by Ctrl K, then bring the number over here. Okay, let's use the Mrs. and Mrs. and remove this one as well. Ctrl K and bring this one over. Then we need to change them to lowercase by clicking here. Title case. Okay, click over here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Let's reduce this. Okay, and change the font. Maybe this one can be okay. Okay, it's okay like this. Then let's bring this on Mr. and Mrs. you bring it over here and reduce it. Okay, let's reduce it so that it won't come out from the line. And you know the purpose of this power clicking is that so that you can see when we power click that this drawing here, these our shapes here, come outside the lines. But when you do not power click and draw it, if it come outside the line, that means your work is spoiled. So you need to power click and be careful whenever you're putting. That's why you can see this space here, we put space. So the next thing you're gonna do is, as you have reduced this, the same thing is applicable here. You need to reduce this as well. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, let's fix it to page. Okay, let's shift it a bit. It's okay like this. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna put our share, we're gonna put our venue and our time as well. Then we need to break this one apart. Okay, Control K. Then bring our venue over here. Same thing is applicable here, our time. Okay, let's bring it over here and increase it too. You need to change the font by going over here. I think, okay, let's try this. Okay, okay, then this should be break apart as well. Then bring it over here. Bring this one over here too. Okay. Okay. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Okay. 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 I think we need to change the font character. Let's go over here. I think this one is okay. Let's increase it a little bit. Okay. Now bring this one down small. Same thing is applicable here. Okay. Now let's bring our time and fix here too. Okay. Then, okay, you can see this one now. Let's increase it a little bit. Then the font should be this. Okay. Okay. Should be this. Okay. Then let's shift it. Let's bring it closer. Then, okay. Okay, I think it's okay like this. So we're gonna put our date over here, so we need to break them apart. Okay, now let's start from this. This is our 12. Hold on your shift in your, then hold on the shift key in your desktop and page up. Let's change the font to impact as well. Okay, increase it. Okay, okay, then let's change the color first. This or this. I think this one is okay. Let's leave it this way. Then let's bring over our month. Then hold on the shift key and page up in your desktop. Okay, let's change the font character by clicking over here. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, this one is okay. Then let's bring in our year. Hold on the shift key and page up as well. Then reduce it. Let's change the font character. Okay, I think this one is okay. Then and change the color as well. Maybe white is okay. Let's bring it inside first. Okay, let's increase it a little bit. Okay, then let's change the color of this one as well to white. Maybe we need to increase this a little bit so that it can occupy. Okay, let's bring this down. Then this one up. This one up as well. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is to click. The next thing we're gonna do is to click on this our text tools and write. Okay, you can see, and bring this shape as well because we also need it here. Let's change the color to, okay, let's bring it here. Let's change the color to red. Okay, then let's increase it so that we can see. You can see now. Let's put it over here. Okay, then bring this over here, change it to white and reduce it. Okay, then hold on the shift key and page up in your desktop. Reduce it a little bit. Okay, let's increase this our shape small. Okay, let's reduce it a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay like this. I think it's okay like this. Okay, Now the next thing we're gonna do now is to let's remove this because we don't need it again. So the next thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna put this baby Francis. We need to break it apart by, you see. Okay, let's bring it over here. Okay, you can see what I'm doing. Now I need to change the font character by clicking here. Okay, I think we'll go with this one. Okay, each corner will be suitable. No. I think, okay, I think red will go here. Should we try this and put white outline? Okay, let's increase the outline first. Okay, let's increase it to maybe, okay, let's try first. I think it's okay like this. Yes, I like it this way. Now let's increase this Francis. Okay, let's bring it down some. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, then Franklin. Let's change the font as well. Okay, which font should be better for this Franklin? Okay, let's add this baby because I wanted to remove it before, but let's add it. Okay, let's use the same font here. Okay, click over here. Let's use the same font. Okay. No. Okay. Shift it. Okay. Then shift this one as well. Okay. Now let's change the color to, okay, let's try white. Then outline, let's try black. Then let's increase the hairline by clicking here, double clicking here. Then, okay, click here and here, then okay. Let's shift it. How do you guys see it? I think it's looking like this. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is okay, 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 okay. I think there's so much gap here, so we need to cover it up. Let's bring this down now and reduce this one. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, let's reduce. I think we should reduce this a little bit. Let's just put it 23 size. There's not 23, so we need to put it here. 23. Okay. The same thing is applicable here, 23. Okay. 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 Okay, you can see now. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do now. Okay, let's try putting this here, then this here. Let's see how it may look. Okay. Okay, then bring this one down here. Okay. 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 No, it's more better. Okay. Now, I think we need to increase this a little bit. Okay. Let's put the font small. Okay, it's better like this. Then this one, we need to increase it. Maybe the outline, okay? On black, let's check. Okay. Let's increase the black small. And maybe two, then click behind, then scale and okay. Let's bring it down a little bit. Let's internalize. Okay. So guys, this is where we're gonna stop for today's video. Then we're gonna continue from where we stop in our next video. So please, if you watch and like this video, do not hesitate to like, share and share with your friends. Share with anybody that you know that is interested in learning graphics design. Then don't forget to subscribe on the red button and turn on your notification bell so that you can be able to get my future upload anytime I drop it. Thank you for watching.